What if I told you Saturn, the majestic ringed giant we've admired since childhood, might have a heart that behaves like liquid metal and an ocean so strange that it isn't even made of water? Today, we are diving inside Saturn, not the rings, not the clouds, the mysterious guts of a gas giant that's still rewriting the rules of planetary science. Stay with me, because what's hidden under those golden clouds could change everything we know about how planets form, including Earth. Welcome to Cosmos Unlocked, where we turn space science into something you can feel. Saturn looks like a cosmic jewel. Smooth, calm, perfect. Except none of that is true. Beneath that beauty lies crushing pressure, alien materials, and a core that shouldn't even exist, according to older scientific theories. To understand Saturn's insides, we need to peel it layer by layer. Let's start at the top. What we see from telescopes is a thick atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Looks peaceful from far away, right? Except storms here can span thousands of miles, with winds blasting faster than 1,100 miles per hour. For comparison, a Category 5 hurricane on Earth looks like a gentle breeze. Temperature, roughly minus 285 degrees Fahrenheit. So cold, your molecules would basically give up. Go deeper, and the pressure ramps up. Hydrogen gas starts squeezing into a dense fluid. The color bands and storms vanish into a dark, swirling abyss. No surface, no firm ground, nothing to stand on. Keep falling, and something bizarre happens. Hydrogen stops acting like a gas or a liquid, it becomes metallic. Imagine liquid mercury, but made of the universe's most common element. This metallic hydrogen conducts electricity extremely well, and this churning metallic ocean is what creates Saturn's powerful magnetic field. If Earth's magnetic field is like a tiny protective bubble, Saturn's is a massive force field blasting deep into space. Temperatures now thousands of degrees. Pressure more than 1,000,000 times Earth's atmosphere. Water, rock, metal, none of it stays normal here. This is a world where the periodic table loses its manners. Scientists thought Saturn had a small, solid core, like Earth's, but bigger. Then NASA's Cassini spacecraft changed everything. When it studied Saturn's gravity field, it found evidence of something unexpected. Saturn's core might not be solid. Instead, it could be what researchers call a fuzzy core. Picture a mashup of rock, metals, and ices broken apart and stirred into this giant metallic hydrogen ocean. Rather than a tidy, marble-like center, Saturn's core could extend halfway out toward the surface. A giant slushy smoothie of alien ingredients. A chaotic heart. Massive, spread out, constantly shifting under pressure. This fuzzy core challenges how we think gas giants form. Maybe Saturn started with a solid seed, but over billions of years, it melted and mixed into something new. The planet literally erased its own past, leaving us guessing how it was born. Temperatures here may reach around 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. You are nowhere close to the center, yet the environment is already unrecognizable. Oh, and Saturn might be raining helium. Droplets of liquid helium falling through metallic hydrogen like glitter. This helium rain releases heat, helping explain why Saturn glows with more energy than it receives from the sun. So inside Saturn, it literally rains heat. Saturn's interior isn't just a planetary curiosity. It is a clue to how gas giants grow, how solar systems evolve, and maybe even why life exists on smaller worlds like ours. Understanding Saturn helps us understand why some planets become giants and others become Earth-like, how atmospheres and magnetospheres form, What to expect when we explore gas giants around other stars. Every new discovery inside Saturn forces scientists to rethink the cosmic blueprint. So next time you look at a picture of Saturn floating peacefully in the void, remember, under those rings is a raging sea of storms, metal oceans, helium rain, and a core that refuses to follow the rules. We still have so much to learn. There are moons hiding oceans, rings disappearing faster than we expected, and mysteries Cassini only teased. If you love unlocking space secrets like this, tap subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.